We help investors all over the country. It's no documentation, fast and easy closing. If you're an investor, you want to take down apartment complexes, rental properties, multi-unit housing, we have the best programs for you with as little as 10% down. All right, guys, it's Angelo Christian with Real Estate Insider coming to you today talking to you about investor fix and flip loans. It's one of my favorite loan programs. We help investors all over the country. It's no documentation, fast and easy closing. If you're an investor, you want to take down apartment complexes, rental properties, multi-unit housing, we have the best programs for you with as little as 10% down a cost and 100% of the rehab to help investors all over the country. I don't care if you're in Vegas, you're in California, you're in Miami, you're in New York. We have investor, no documentation, fix and flip rehab loans to be able to help you guys. I don't care if you're buying 20-unit apartment complexes, single-family flip properties, frat houses, you want to buy, whatever type of investment that you're looking, you need rehab money, whether it's a triplex, a quadplex, we can help you with investor, no documentation loans. The way that it works is if you're a first-time flipper, you have to put 20% down on the cost. So let's say that you're buying a $400,000 multi-unit, complex, you'll put 80 grand down, and let's say that you need 100,000 for the rehab. We will give you 100% for the rehab money. So we'll give you all the money for the rehab. We don't need your tax returns. We don't care about your credit. Obviously, a higher credit's better. But if you're a seasoned pro flipper, then you only have to put usually 10 to 15% down on the cost, and you can still get 100% of the rehab. So in that same example, let's say it's a $400,000 multi-unit, you just have to put anywhere from $40,000 to $60,000 down, and then you can get 100% of the rehab money. And we don't care where you get the money from because it's a private loan. You can get it from an investor, a gift, whatever. You sold an asset, doesn't matter. So this is not like a residential conforming loan. This is a private loan that we make to you wherever you are in the country. We help a lot of investors right now in Cali, Vegas, Miami, Austin, all over the country with these private loans, okay? And there's no cap. It'll give you $1 million deal, a $500,000 deal, a $4 million deal. It doesn't really matter. But this gives you the power, the leverage to be able to take down that property, go purchase it quickly, get the funds for rehab. You got to have a good contractor, right? You want to make sure you have a very good contractor that can back you, that can do the job, obviously on time with the right cost budget, and that's ethical. You get a good contractor under you, you can make millions of dollars with fix and flips, guys. It's a very, very powerful way to build wealth with real estate. So I highly recommend if you want to get into fix and flips, give Angelo Christian a call, 832-431-6331. We're pre-approving millions of dollars of business every single day all over the country with this private loan investor fix and flip. So call me at 832-431-6331 or click on the link below to get pre-approved for your investor fix and flip. If you see deals out there, if you're a wholesaler, you're an investor, you're a flipper, you want to get the funding, don't think that because you don't have A1 credit or your bank told you can't get the deal or you can't verify your income that we can't make a loan. We can definitely help you and hook you up to get you the funding to do that rehab project. Like I said, you're going to need anywhere from 10 to 20% down plus your closing costs, but we can get you the rehab money. We can make it happen. Call me directly. Thank you guys so much. Take care and peace out. Bye-bye.